What if just 7 days from now you looked in the mirror and no longer recognized the person staring back at you? Not because you changed your face, not because of clothes or style, but because the fire inside you had finally awakened. For so long you've been waiting for the right time, waiting for motivation, waiting for someone to give you permission to rise. But deep down you know that waiting has cost you days, weeks, even years that you will never get back. And the truth is harsh. Nothing changes until you decide to change it. Nothing shifts until you choose to take control of your own story. This week can be the turning point, the moment that separates your old life from the one you know you were meant to live. Think about how many times you've told yourself, I'll start tomorrow. How many mornings have begun with a promise and ended with the same old habits? You've carried dreams in your heart like heavy luggage, but fear, doubt, and distraction have kept you grounded. And while the world has continued to move forward, you felt stuck, unseen, and unnoticed. Yet here you are, searching, listening, ready for something more. That's not an accident. That's a sign that your soul is tired of being trapped in the same patterns and is demanding transformation. Imagine the version of yourself who no longer hesitates. Imagine the you who walks into a room and doesn't shrink back, who speaks with clarity and strength, who lives with discipline and purpose. That person is not a fantasy. That person is already inside you, waiting to be released. And here's the truth most people never realize. Transformation is not about massive, unreachable leaps. It's about small, relentless decisions made every single day. It's about showing up when you don't feel like it. It's about pushing through when the old you would have quit. This week, you will be tested. You will feel the pull of your comfort zone begging you to stay the same. You will hear the voice of doubt whispering that change is too hard, too late, or not worth it. But you are stronger than that voice. You have carried too much pain, too much regret to let it win again. Every scar, every failure, every moment you thought broke you, those were not endings. They were lessons, shaping you, preparing you for this exact moment. And when you choose to rise, nothing and no one will be able to hold you down. So why should you stay with me until the very end? Because what you're about to receive is more than motivation. It's a blueprint, a step-by-step path that if you follow it with discipline, will make you unrecognizable in just 7 days. The people around you will notice it in your energy, in your posture, in the way you carry yourself. You won't need to explain. You'll radiate it. This is not about impressing others. This is about becoming someone you can finally respect, someone you can finally believe in, someone you can finally love without apology. 7 days. That's all it takes to start, not to finish the journey, but to create momentum so powerful that the old version of you won't be able to survive. By the time this week ends, you will feel it. You will know you are no longer the same. Stay with me, because your transformation starts now. Transformation begins the moment you make a decision that cannot be reversed. It is not about waiting for motivation to strike because motivation fades. It is about building an inner fire that cannot be extinguished. That fire comes from choice. You must choose who you want to be and then back that choice with action, no matter how uncomfortable it feels. The difference between the person you are today and the person you could be lies in the choices you make in the quiet moments when no one is watching. That is where character is built. That is where transformation is born. Think about how much of your life has been controlled by patterns you didn't even notice. The habit of scrolling instead of moving, the habit of doubting instead of daring, the habit of procrastinating instead of beginning. These patterns are not who you are. They are chains you've been carrying for years. But chains can be broken. And the moment you decide to break one, the weight of your entire life begins to shift. This week is about breaking those chains one by one until you no longer walk as the prisoner of your old self, but as the architect of your new future. The truth is, nothing feels harder than the first step. Fear makes it heavy, doubt makes it complicated, and the comfort of old habits makes it easy to turn back. But once you take that step, once you prove to yourself that you can move forward despite resistance, something powerful happens. You begin to rewrite the story your mind tells about you. You begin to build evidence that you are stronger, more capable, more relentless than you've ever believed. And once your mind sees that proof, transformation becomes unstoppable. This is why discipline is not punishment. Discipline is freedom. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you carve away the weakness that has been holding you down. You strengthen the muscle of self-respect. You show yourself that you are worthy of the life you desire. And that respect cannot be given by anyone else. It must be earned by you, through you, with the daily actions you take. Others may cheer you on, but only you can do the work. Only you can create the shift that makes people look at you differently, not because you told them you've changed, but because they can feel the change radiating from your presence. Do not underestimate how quickly momentum can build. One disciplined decision today leads to another tomorrow. One act of courage this hour creates strength for the next. And before you know it, you are no longer negotiating with your old habits. You are replacing them. You are not trapped by who you were. You are rising into who you were meant to become. And that rise happens faster than you think when you commit fully. This week will not be easy, but it will be worth it. Every craving to quit, every whisper of doubt, every temptation to fall back into the old you, that is proof you are walking the right path. Growth always resists you at first, but once you push through that resistance, you discover a power you never knew was inside you. That power will not just transform your week, it will transform your life. And when you stand on the other side of these 7 days, you will look back at the person you were and realize something incredible. You are no longer trapped by that version of yourself. You have shed it. You have outgrown it. You have replaced it with strength, with discipline, with unstoppable belief. The old you will not survive this week because the new you is already being born. The world has been waiting to see the real you, but the truth is you've been hiding. You've hidden behind excuses, behind distractions, behind the belief that you weren't ready. But readiness is not something that arrives at your doorstep. It is something you create in the fire of decision. You do not need more time. You do not need more approval. You do not need someone else to tell you it's possible. What you need is the courage to stop running from yourself and finally step into the life that has been calling you all along. Fear has been the invisible cage around your potential. It whispers that you will fail, that people will laugh, that you are not enough. And maybe you have believed that voice for far too long. But here's the truth. Fear is a liar. Fear is only strong when you let it go unchallenged. The moment you take action in the face of fear, its power dissolves. And in that moment, you discover that courage is not the absence of fear. It is choosing to move forward while fear is still screaming in your ear. When you practice this again and again, something changes inside you. Fear no longer controls you. You begin to control it. Think of what you've already survived, the pain, the disappointment, the nights you thought you couldn't go on. You made it through all of that. If you could endure that, you can endure this. If you could keep breathing when the weight of life felt unbearable, then you have already proven that you are stronger than you think. The version of you that doubts, that hesitates, that delays, that version is blind to your own power. But power is there. It has always been there, waiting for you to claim it. This is the week you stop shrinking. This is the week you stop apologizing for wanting more. This is the week you stop treating your life as if it is something you can casually postpone. Time is moving, whether you act or not. Every sunrise is one less chance to become who you were meant to be. And that reality should not scare you. It should ignite you. Because once you realize how precious every day is, you stop wasting them. You start living them. Every small action you take now is an act of rebellion against the version of you that wants to stay comfortable. Waking up earlier, choosing discipline over distraction, saying no when it would be easier to say yes. These are not just habits. These are declarations. These are you telling the world, I am not who I used to be. And once you start declaring it through your actions, life responds. Opportunities open, energy shifts, people notice. Not because you spoke it into existence, but because you lived it into existence. There will be moments where you feel the urge to return to what is familiar. That is normal. The brain craves comfort, even when comfort destroys potential. But you must remind yourself comfort is not your friend. Comfort is the quiet killer of greatness. And every time you resist it, every time you choose growth over ease, you are proving to yourself that you are no longer willing to settle. 7 days of this mindset will not only change your habits, they will change the way you see yourself. You will no longer see someone who is trapped. You will see someone who is unstoppable. And that shift, once it happens, cannot be undone. Because once you experience your own power, you will never again believe the lie that you are weak. You will know the truth. You are limitless. Limitless potential is not something reserved for the chosen few. It is inside every single person who dares to demand more from themselves. The only reason you have not experienced it fully is because you've been taught to settle. You've been conditioned to believe that ordinary is enough, that comfort is safety, that consistency means staying the same. But you are not here to stay the same. You are here to evolve, to expand, to break through the walls that your past, your fears, and even society have built around you. The moment you decide to stop playing small, the moment you choose to rise above the excuses, you ignite a chain reaction that changes everything. Transformation is not just about doing more. It is about becoming more. It is about stripping away every false belief that told you what you couldn't do and replacing it with proof of what you can. Your mind is a battlefield, and every thought you feed determines whether you step forward or stay stuck. When you feed yourself with doubt, hesitation grows. But when you feed yourself with belief, even the smallest belief, momentum builds. That momentum is the fuel that carries you beyond what you thought was possible. Do not underestimate the power of small victories. Every time you choose to keep a promise to yourself, you build trust. Every time you push through resistance, you strengthen your identity. And identity is what truly transforms you. Habits can fade, motivation can dip, but identity, the person you believe yourself to be, anchors everything. When you stop saying, I'm trying to change, and start declaring, I am disciplined, I am focused, I am powerful, you are not lying to yourself. You are rewriting your identity, and the brain fights to stay consistent with the identity you accept. If you say you are weak, you will act weak. If you declare you are strong, you will begin to act with strength. This week is not just about changing your schedule or improving your habits. It is about stepping into a new identity so powerful that the old one cannot survive. Imagine waking up and no longer identifying as someone who struggles, but as someone who conquers. Imagine no longer carrying the weight of past failures, but walking with the confidence that you are capable of anything you commit to. That shift is what will make people look at you differently. They won't just notice what you do, they will feel who you have become. But this process requires honesty. You cannot rise into your higher self while clinging to the excuses of your old self. You cannot become unrecognizable while defending the comfort that has kept you invisible. You must face the parts of yourself you've been avoiding. The laziness, the fear, the doubt, not to judge them, but to release them. To acknowledge they were part of your story, but they are not your future. When you release them, you create space for the person you are becoming. And here's the most powerful truth. The person you are becoming is already inside you. It is not something you need to search for outside. It is not hidden in a book, a seminar, or another person's approval. It is waiting, buried under layers of hesitation and fear. When you strip those away with action, with discipline, with courage, that person emerges. And when that person emerges, you will see what has been true all along. You were never limited. You are only unfinished. Unfinished does not mean broken. It means you are still in motion, still being shaped, still holding within you the possibility to become something greater. Too often, people mistake their current stage as their final destination. They look at their struggles, their flaws, their failures, and they accept them as permanent truths. But nothing about you is permanent unless you allow it to be. You are not defined by what has already happened. You are defined by what you choose to do now. Every decision you make is a stroke on the canvas of your life. And with each stroke, you can either reinforce the same picture or create something entirely new. The most dangerous belief is the belief that you cannot change. That belief kills dreams before they ever breathe. It convinces you to settle for less than you deserve. It chains you to a version of yourself that you have outgrown. But if you are listening now, it is because something inside you refuses to accept that belief any longer. You feel the pull toward more. You sense the urgency of time. And you know deep in your core that you are capable of becoming someone who cannot be ignored, someone who commands respect, someone who walks in alignment with their true potential. Change begins in the smallest moments, but its impact grows exponentially. When you wake up earlier than you feel like, you send a message to your mind, I control my choices, not my emotions. When you complete the task you wanted to avoid, you prove to yourself I follow through no matter what. When you silence the distractions and focus, you show yourself I value my growth more than my comfort. These small victories accumulate. They build into a force that reshapes your identity. And once your identity changes, your life cannot remain the same. You must understand that transformation is not about perfection. It is about progress. Waiting to feel ready or flawless before you begin will keep you waiting forever. Progress happens because you act despite imperfection, despite fear, despite discomfort. It is the courage to take one more step when everything in you wants to stop. That is what creates the unstoppable momentum that carries you beyond doubt. Every time you push through resistance, you train your mind to see yourself differently. And once your mind sees you as powerful, your actions align with that power. This week is a chance to create a turning point so sharp that the old you cannot follow. A chance to live each day as if it were proof that change is real, that growth is possible, that greatness is within reach. You do not need anyone to hand you permission. You do not need validation to rise. You need only the decision to step forward with relentless consistency, to act as if the person you want to be is already here. And the moment you act that way, you are that person. 7 days of radical honesty, discipline, and courage will feel like a lifetime of growth compared to years of hesitation. People around you will notice the difference, not because you tell them, but because you carry yourself with a presence that cannot be denied. You will notice it too. You will feel it in your body, in your energy, in the way you face challenges. The transformation will not be something you hope for. It will be something you live. And once you taste that power, you will never want to go back. Once you experience even a glimpse of your true power, the illusion of your limits begins to collapse. You start to see how much of your life was shaped not by what you were truly capable of, but by what you were willing to settle for. Settling has been the silent thief, stealing your time, stealing your confidence, stealing the greatness you were born to express. And the moment you decide that settling is no longer an option, everything changes. You stop asking what is easy, and you start asking what is necessary. You stop measuring your actions by comfort, and you begin measuring them by alignment with the person you want to become. The greatest battle you will ever fight is not with the world around you. It is with the world within you. The doubts, the fears, the excuses, the old patterns that try to drag you back into who you used to be. These inner battles are relentless, but they are not invincible. Each time you choose discipline over laziness, courage over fear, focus over distraction, you win a round, and the more rounds you win, the weaker your old self becomes. Until eventually that version of you no longer has power. It becomes a memory, not an identity. Your body, your mind, your spirit,